Alright, Baba's Aquatics Aquatics Plus. You know, mix the feeding. You know. It's like when you have a baby, you have to mix the feeding. I know a baby them, you know. So, syringe is the proper equipment. Right, as any syringe. And you have to actually work based on the type of bird. I want to give them. You have to force the ear in it, so you have to make sure you speed. Know that. You put ear in the bird and crop, kill the bird then. So I have two Amazon yellow nape and we have a Lovebird. So a Fischer Lovebird. You must sleep, but I wake them up and give them the food. So work time and so yeah, it's like easily realize the cap can take more, so you can put some more in it. One squeeze basically, and that's it for the first feeding for the day. So I know throughout the day you have to feed them, and then so young you have to feed them all 3, 4, 5 times per day. So the bigger one, so you can actually get more. And you have to basically gauge when you give them this feeding, because you don't have to let them crop too much to put stress and strain on the body. That's it. Easy does it. The Lovebird now, just a little amount, right? And the syringe have measurement, as you can see, so you can know how to actually gauge it. Lovebird they reach a certain level now, so when they reach a certain level, so them take less feeding. You can actually fly too, you know. Yes, and sometimes them resist when they reach this stage, because you have to start weaning them. So if you realize you're not even opening your mouth for the feeding. Yeah, so this is it. Just a little squeeze. Yeah. Can't pressure them system too much. So this basically will be how you feed the Amazon yellow napes, right? And that's a Fischer Lovebird.